Shubor na Snem jong nong san Hima.
Ulam phang ka Ïingdorbar thawan ka jala u Thomas A sangma bakran chekla pathai khubor ulong ba ujulet ban jungo ban jurip ya ka Ïingdorbar thawan ba Thymmai ka jala ka badang yat ya ka jing pentrei ka badan hamau diang diang u Thomas ulay thu badang shen udang chulet jurip bat ulalap baduna palat kinong trei henrei na kalyang jong u ula khot biang kinong trei bat menda ka jing pentrei kala ya chakman shu ulaong ba an Pyndep ban pentrei ya ka assembly ba Thymmai hapa uni Snem hi ulaong ru ba kwa ban pentrei Kyrkieh namar bantrei kum kini ki kam ka kam shimpor.
Satisfactory, and maybe very soon I will be again going for inspection. I have decided to make my personal inspections from time to time, and last inspection that I had gone was just about maybe 3 weeks back. So I intend to go during this ensuing assembly session. I may also undertake such visit to ensure. And last time when I visited, as I told you earlier, there was not enough manpower on the site. But now I'm told there are more people have come back again. So work is going on full swing. That I cannot say now because I cannot rush. We have learned so many lessons. I don't know, this kind of civil works, I don't want to rush. Let it take its time because all these concrete works need time for curing and so on. So they have given us the timeline to finish the kind of structure. The structure will be over within this year, I'm told. So after that, interior work will take place. Sorry.
Winter session we will be here.
This winter session.
Yeah, coming winter session.
I think so.